Welcome back to the Heap Origami Show. Today we're fold the 39th member of our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. It's the Imaginary Voyage by Didier Boursin. It's a relatively simple fold. Before we begin, let's see how it flies. If you've been enjoying my series for a while, please help me share it with the world by smashing the like button. It's really appreciated. So let's begin. You start with the color side up, and then you fold it in half. Open it up. Now fold these corners to the center crease, like our normal paper airplane. Fold it in half vertically, or horizontally, should I say. Make sure that it's completely straight. Once you have that, fold this edge to the center crease. Use your finger, push that fold until the top. Now we're going to squash fold this section down. When you do this, you want this crease to be as vertical as possible, and this edge to be as horizontal as possible. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, but this time make sure that the crease matches here so that it's even on both sides. Sure that they're at the same location and squash. If you've done things right, they should be more or less the same. Now we're going to fold the nose up. Make sure that it's at the center. Now once you have this, fold it in half. Make sure that it's nice and flat. You want to fold the wings. For the wings, you want to continue this edge here and all the way to the back of the plane. So just use your finger, feel it. Make it as tight as possible and press. Repeat the same thing on the other side, but this time just make sure that it matches on both sides. Once you have that, we're doing the vertical fins. The vertical fins is simply folding from this corner to this corner. So this entire slicer will be our vertical fin. Fold the same thing on the other side. Open it up, and if you haven't smashed that like button, please help me share this with the world by smashing that like button. This is the Imaginary Voyage by Didier Boursin. You want it to be more or less straight vertical up and flat open. You don't want the tail to be slightly crooked, you want it to be straight so that it flies straight. To throw it, hold the center of mass and just toss it like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.